and we are ready to go and visit the Jamnagar city. Right now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
We are heading towards the Chandni market.
Okay, so this is methi vadi, very famous in Gujrat, Jamnagar. Very good in taste. Okay, so this is the normal kachori and this is the dry fruit kachori they are given us. So let's try this. Idhar open kar. Food item which you saw now was from here. So this is the address of this shop. Very delicious food item, like you will get samosa, kachori and sweets.
इंटरव्यू आपको तो खाली शू फेमस है आप लोग
दुकान के बारे में स्पेशलिटी क्या है?
दुकान का स्पेशलिटी यहाँ का हमारी दुकान का नाम ही श्रीखंड सम्राट है। श्रीखंड सम्राट
अच्छा,
हमारी जो स्पेशलिटी वो श्रीखंड की नंबर 1 उसकी स्पेशल है। उसमें ड्राई फ्रूट कचौरी है, सिंपल कचौरी है, सीजनल वेराइटीज़ है, ड्राई फ्रूट रोटियाँ, खजूर पाक, बादाम पाक, नारंग पाक, शुगर पाक।
so this what you get here.
श्रीखंड सम्राट
Chicken. Do visit here.
सम्राट
Chicken.
नॉट श्रीखंड, श्रीखंड।
Chicken.
गुजरात से बाहर जब श्रीखंड गया तो श्रीखंड हो गया, यहाँ तो श्रीखंड ही है।
Hope you get it. And do visit. So now we are here to visit Ranwal Lake, and it seems it's quite famous over here in Jamnagar city. So let's see what's inside. So this is the entry from gate number 4. We have entered from gate number 4. There are many stalls over here, and straight you go, then you will see the lake. Amazing view over here. So now I see why this is famous here in Jamnagar city. Right now at Lakhota Palace and having this burger and pizza. Near to the stall. Done with some snacks at the stalls. The problem here is they are giving us the foreigner food like pizza and burgers. But the thing is, if you come here, okay, so you can see that everywhere is our culture, reflecting our culture, and they are giving us the foreign food. We are tourists here, so they expect the stall should provide us the local food like semumra, dhokla and something like that. So, but here it is not that. They are serving us Chinese foods and pizzas, burgers, fast foods, and all. So this is what I didn't like here. So right now we are inside the
Lakhota Lake.
Lakhota Lake. This is a selfie point, so-called selfie point, and there is a museum. We have to go over there. Unfortunately, we can't film over there, so I can't show what's inside there. Other than that, it's a beautiful place to visit. Prochete Bobin. Ah, Bobin. So now entering the museum. We came from there, over there, and this is the halfway where you can sit for some time. There are spikes over here so that no one can sit up here and take a selfie, but there is a sitting over here, so you can sit here and then take a selfie. This is a good idea so that no one can get out of this fence and fall into the raw water. With the museum over there, that was a museum, and now there's a walkway, straight walkway. We have come over from over there and till here. So there's a sculpture of the king. Let's see who he is. Rajwadi dish gola shop to have some golas, and we have ordered malai mawa gola. I'll show you how it is made here. Let me taste it. There's a malai coating over here, and here's the gola, plain gola, and ऊपर कुछ तो है. I don't know what it is. Mawa. Yes, it is mawa. Let him try. We are at famous Lakhubai Ragdawala, the most famous Ragdawala in Jamnagar city. I ordered patties ragda. Let's try how it goes. These are the range of varieties you can have here at Lakhubai Ragdawala.
घुगरा चाट, आलू टिक्की चाट बोला.
Okay, so guys, it's 12:30 in the night, and also after having snacks ragda patties and all, we were just hanging around in the city, and then we went for dinner. But I didn't vlog there. Also, I didn't took some pictures.
We were returning back the hotel.
Tomorrow we'll be going to Dhuam. In the morning we'll be checking out from this hotel. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends. Comment down what you think about us, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. This is day 1, and more videos are going to come in future. So this is the end of day 1, and day 2 will be soon be uploaded. Peace.